Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are doing a quick update video on ZenMine. If you remember my previous video, I showed you how this platform lets you mine Bitcoin in minutes without buying expensive hardware, dealing with noisy cooling systems, or worrying about massive electricity bills. I've been letting it run, and today I'm going to show you a live update of my dashboard and walk you through exactly how to withdraw your earnings directly to your wallet. The process is super simple actually, so stick around and let's get straight into it. Alright, welcome back guys. So as soon as you log into ZenMine, your dashboard is completely active. If you're new, you automatically get some complimentary starter hash power just to test out the platform before you decide to upgrade. Right from the main screen, you can monitor your mining activity live, track your real-time hash rate, and see your estimated earnings. And if you want to scale up your mining power, that also is incredibly easy. You just click on buy hash power, pick the mining allocation you want, and deposit using crypto. If you need help with that part, I already have a full step-by-step video on my channel showing you exactly how to deposit. They support a ton of different currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, Litecoin, Solana, Tron, and so much more. But today I want to focus, as I said, on the withdrawal process because I know that is exactly what you guys want to see. ZenMine is built to make withdrawals completely straightforward even if you're brand new to crypto. So here is exactly how you do it. Inside your dashboard, just click on the withdraw tab, and once the panel opens, select the crypto you want to use. As you can see guys, for this video I'm going to use Bitcoin. You just have to open your crypto wallet application, copy your personal Bitcoin address and paste it right into the withdrawal address field on the ZenMine dashboard. Then type in the amount you want to cash out and make sure to review the transaction details carefully just to ensure your address is 100% correct. Then just hit confirm and your withdrawal request is processed. The funds go directly to your wallet and the whole thing only takes a few minutes depending on standard blockchain confirmation times. As you can see guys, there are no complicated systems, no hidden setup fees, and you do not need any technical experience. Literally everything is handled through this clean dashboard. And plus guys, it's backed by enterprise-grade infrastructure operating out of massive facilities in Iceland and Texas, which is great for performance and reliability. As you can see, ZenMine really makes cloud mining accessible and easy to manage whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. If you want to get started or stay updated with their latest news and announcements, I've left all the official links down in the description below. That being said, make sure to check them out and follow their team on X and Telegram to see what they're building next. Drop a comment below if you're already using the platform, hit the subscribe button to stay updated with my portfolio, and I will see you guys in the next video.